Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, what I'm showing you now, I've shown you a three-seater of this one some time back because just that time we had order for a three-seater only. Now I'm showing you a complete set, seven-seater unit, a three-seater, a two-seater and two single chairs for the same set. This one is going to Chandigarh in teak wood and teak gold paint and a nice fabric as you can see here. This design you may have come across several times if you have seen European furniture, Italian furniture, and many times Turkish furniture. Something like this is visible. This is a little subtle design as compared to other sets that we have made and shown you. Generally, our designs have a high back like this with a Taj concept. That is a Victorian concept as well as Maharaja sofa set concept that we have in our sets generally. This is a little subtle, a simple design with just a little carving on the top, and then the handles that are not covered, the open handles. There's a cushion in the middle, and then the European legs. The sleek legs that we don't have in our regular furniture. This sleek leg concept is the standard Italian or the European furniture concept. The kind of legs you see in this. Generally, in our units, you get thick and very heavy carved units, heavy carved legs. These are stylish, sleek leg concept. In the similar concept, I've shown you the table also. This time, we don't have the table for this one because the client didn't need one. It's a seven-seater set. The three-seater out and out is 6.5 feet, the same size we have our other units. The depth of this one is a little more than regular units, is 4 inches more than the regular sets we have, is 32. And the back height is 42 inches, 3.5 feet. That's little lower than our regular units, around 4 to 6 inches lower than our regular units. The two-seater here is 5 feet outer, that's 32 and 42, that's the same size. If we talk about the sitting area, it has got very comfortable, spacious, and the handle part with the flow and the curve is quite comfortable to sit on this one. And with a cushion here on both the sides, you get a proper handrest with the cushion area. Generally, we don't when you don't have the cushion, you have wood on all the sides. It's not uh, that comfortable to put your hand, but here you have the cushion. Moving on to the single chair. The single chair is out and out 3 feet. 3 feet is a big size for a single chair. And here you can see how much space I'm getting. Both sides I've got enough space. If I sit on a corner, then again I have ample space to sit here. And these kind of are Maharaja chairs concept that we have. Spacious, luxury, as well as nice looking. Here you can see the design. Talking about this set in itself, when you don't like too much carving, you are looking for a little simple set, but in wood, solid wood, but a real royal kind of concept. Something like this can be considered. It is simple, Italian, the style is Italian, European, and it's in antique gold paint. The added thing is the teak wood because we make everything in solid teak wood for the durability and the fineness that we get in the wood. Antique gold paint is our most liked color anywhere across the globe. We have sent to, I think, 15, 20 countries now, and everywhere in India we have already sent. This one going to Chandigarh, but if you want something like this anywhere in India or outside India, you can contact us, we'll make it for you. Fabric color is your choice. If you want something different, some other colors with the printed or the other colors or multiple colors, we can make something like that for you. About the design at the back. The design is on front. Similarly, it has got nice simple design on the back as well. So even if you are putting two chairs on the front and it's not going towards the wall, it looks fine to have this kind of back. The simple, clean look at the back you have gives the fine look to the unit. Altogether, a nice set for the people who like art but don't like too much carving. And something like this is spacious, it's not very heavy in weight, it's durable because it's teak wood. The paint is Duco, so it lasts for years and years. And the work you can see here. Now we have almost very close to 500 videos on YouTube, and out of that, I think 125 are the sofa designs. This much variety, this much versatility in the work, you may have not seen anywhere in actual photos or videos. Mostly, when you visit other websites or you go to some portal, you find a lot of pictures with the all the setup kind of thing. Mostly, these are catalog pictures, software generated images. They're not actual stuff. What I try to show you here is the actual stuff that we have made. The design sometimes come from the catalog, sometimes from somewhere else, and people are coming from everywhere to get the designs done. The work is in front of you. All the sides you can see, the back, the front, the sides. And if you like something like this, you can contact us. We can make that for you and deliver anywhere in India or outside India. For the pricing, you can visit our website, arsonwoods.com. There are a lot of items displayed there with the prices. If you want lesser number of seats, that can be done. The 311 you want, or just a 3-1, or you want to add something like a settee or a divider along with this, a table, side tables, anything you want, we can make that for you. This is the art. This is not made by any machine, handwork of arson and the quality that you see here. Hope you like it. I request you for a few comment of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you so much.